Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome back to another new episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy rum cocktail, the classic daiquiri. So long before you had the strawberry daiquiri, the banana daiquiri, the mango, whatever fruity daiquiri you want to make, entire lives were dedicated to perfecting the perfect balance of three simple ingredients: rum, sugar, and lime. Today we achieved that perfect balance by using a recipe that calls for 2 ounces of rum, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of Demerara syrup. So I don't have Demerara syrup, you don't have Demerara syrup. However, if you have sugar, molasses, and running water, we can still make a close replication of the original Demerara syrup. To make some homemade Demerara syrup, simply boil 1/2 a cup of water, add 1 cup of regular white sugar, add 2 tablespoons of molasses, then stir constantly until well combined, but don't let it get too hot, otherwise this might happen. Finally, let it cool, then transfer it to a bottle or jar. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's get started with our daiquiri cocktail. To get started, we are going to need 2 ounces of our light rum. Today we have Cruise On, which I discussed in our affordable liquor video. I'll leave a link to that on the screen now. Next, we'll need 1 ounce of lime juice. And last, we're going to need 3/4 of an ounce of our homemade Demerara syrup. Let's add some ice. Alright folks, the classic daiquiri. Cheers! Oh, this is really good. Do not make it with regular simple syrup. You definitely want to use the recipe for the homemade Demerara copycat recipe. The molasses flavor in this rich and thick simple syrup definitely pairs very well with our light rum and the lime flavor. Alright folks, that's gonna just about do it for today's episode. Let me know in the comments what your favorite flavor of daiquiri is. And subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. See you next time.